I upgraded my home gym earlier this year with more of these puzzle piece mats, and they've been working pretty great for the most part, except since I have smooth floors, they tend to slide around a bit when I do more dynamic movements or when I do drills with my martial arts bag. So to stop this from happening in the future, I decided to pick up this rug pad by Gorilla Grip. Even though it's designed to be used for rugs, I decided to go with this as a solution because the core reason for the constant slippage is the same. The bottom of these puzzle piece mats are smooth and the floor is smooth, and therefore there is not enough friction to keep them in place as I move around. The Gorilla Grip is a non-adhesive solution that you can put on your floors, and they're advertised to have a dual grip, meaning once I set this up, they should be holding on to both the puzzle piece mats and the floor at the same time, which should effectively stop the slippage. So we're going to set it up together and test it out and see if it works in stopping the slippage. And if it works for me here in my home gym where I'm practicing flips and spinning kicks against a martial arts bag, then it should work really well for you if you're just using it to stop slippage with your rugs. All right, here we go. Right, that was pretty easy to set up, and it does feel like my pads are a lot more in place than they were before, but let's go ahead and test it out. And there we go. This rug pad was exactly what I needed for my home gym to stop the slippage. And as you just saw, I was able to practice my spinning kicks and flips and even some moves that I haven't tried for years because I've just been worried about the pad slipping if I tried it in the home gym. For real, my only regret is that I wish I had bought this sooner so that I would be able to have more freedom in the kind of routines that I could train in my home gym. But I'm really happy that I found it and bought it now so that I can train spinning moves and acrobatics in the future without any worries. So if you're looking for an easy solution to stop slippage of your rugs or mats in your home, whether that's just from everyday usage or from practicing more extreme acrobatics and spins like me, then pick up the Gorilla Grip rug pad for yourself today and you're going to be set.